Where's Petey now? Okay, there he is. He's hiding between the cupboards for this little one. Peepa, Peepa. Yeah. Oh my God. Kyk hoe seer het hy gekry. Het hy geval? Sorry. Kyk hoe vol hy. Hier kom ek. Look at his head. When I said, here I come, look at him. He's pretending. Okay. What did that do to you? You can't believe that this was a stray cat. He's not the same. You changed a lot. It's a beautiful soul. It's a beautiful thing, this one. It's a beautiful thing, Ma. Yeah. Lekker. Look at that face. And he's jealous. You should see how he protects me. He wants no one around me. He attacks them.